And that's one of the things when you work with a financial planner, because we have 6 key areas that we work with. We've got, we help with what I call it cash flow planning, which is basically budgeting, basically helping you navigate late stage capitalism today. Retirement planning, helping you navigate late stage capitalism in the future when you're older and you're not able to, your ability to earn an income or to labor for income is not there because of either poor health or age or just in general, or maybe you're just like, screw it, I don't want to work anymore. So we plan for that. And then there's the tax, and then the other part is the tax planning. And so it's okay. And how I like to measure it is basically, it's like for some leftists, it's like, yes, taxes are the price we pay to have all the fun stuff. But of course, we all know governments don't spend it on the stuff we want it to spend. The tax planning is basically usually I usually leverage is paying what you're supposed to be paying to the government and finding ways, if you want to reduce the amount that you want to pay in taxes, what legal ways there are for reducing it as well too there, because there's tax avoidance and there's legitimate tax avoidance, and then there's tax evasion. Tax avoidance is mostly what legal ways can we do to reduce the taxes that we owe. And for certain things, the government even has tax credits and deductions that allow you to do that. And it's for most average Canadians, if you're a T4 salaried employee, unless you've got a lot of deductions that you got to make for like medical expenses or the disability tax benefit or various other stuff, your taxes are deducted off of your paycheck anyways. Usually, if you're self-employed like me as a sole proprietor, that's where things get a little more. I've seen it for people that are retired, because when you retire, you all of a sudden go from one income source from your paycheck. Right. So I've seen so many cases of people that have just retired, and the year after they retire, they file their tax return and I owe taxes? Why? Because they're not deducting enough off your paychecks, because your pension is not talking to CPP, which is not talking to your RRSP provider. You have to ultimately do that math for you. And that's where a financial planner can help with that.